How to make different headers in Google Docs. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Google document, you're going to simply tap where you would like to add the header, so you can see the first header right here. All we'll need to do is simply scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you're going to tap right above where you'd like to add the header. So let's say, for example, we'd like to add the header right here. We can tap on the last line, then you're going to select Insert, and you want to select Break, and you're going to select Page Break. After selecting Page Break, you can put in the header section, so we'll tap on Insert once more. Headers and Footers, you will select Header. After selecting Header, you want to tap on Options, select Header Format, and you're going to select different odd and even and different first page, then tap on Apply. After tapping on Apply, from here you can go over to the left hand menu, Options, select Insert, and you could upload the image that you would like to add. So let's say, for example's sake, I would like to set this image right there. So you can see we have header 1 and we have header 2 right here. If it is a case that you would like to add a different header, you could do that. So let's say, for example's sake, I would like to add a header. I would like to break this section and add another header. You're going to select the section, select Insert. Then from there, you're going to tap on Break once more, Page Break. After you have added the page break, all you'll need to do now is select Insert once more, select Headers and Footers, then select Header. After selecting Header, from here you can change the header to your liking, or you could choose to insert another header. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.